Hey, Rod with Terracom here. I'm going to show you what happens, let's say, if we put the phone jack in and try to tone it downstairs, but we can't find the tone at the other end. So I've already taken the screws out of this phone jack, and we see in this particular jack, we got a wire. This is pretty standard, what you see. Usually the blue pair is connected to some kind of a phone jack. It might have screw terminals like this. Sometimes it has punch downs on it, kind of like the Bix blocks that we saw downstairs. But what I'd recommend is if this doesn't work, you use your toner, and a lot of times toners will have alligator clips like this. Maybe take this off the phone jack and put the alligator clips right on the bare wire. And let's say you can't find a tone on this particular pair of conductors. Sometimes all these different extra spare pairs of conductors may make their way back to the phone room. So usually the orange pair is the next one that we like to use. So you'd want to strip back these wires with some strippers and then put your toner on with the alligator clips and then see if you can find the wire downstairs. So there's another way you can use your toner if the phone jack interface isn't working. You can just put the alligator clips right on these and try to find it down there as well.